darkness of ignorance and unbelief.
May we be role models of hope and enlightenment, to light the way for others and widen the path for them.
May we call in Jones Hunter Quindosa and Dave Sanchez for the turnover of the Holy Bible.
Bible is the center of Mina de Oro Catholic School Incorporated curriculum, the most important subject matter and the source of the principle determining the other subject matter.
May we live our life anchored on the Word of God, filled with system of values and spirituality that will be a lamp unto our feet and a light unto our path.
May we call in for Bennett Sasson and Isaiah Divine Gutierrez for the turnover of the Book of Knowledge.
Book of Knowledge remains the heart of Mina de Oro Catholic School Incorporated educational enterprise and teaching and learning process.
May we strive hard not to search and obtain for knowledge, but also wisdom, that is, knowledge imbued with goodness.
Our turnover will not be complete if we don't give stress to the capture accomplishment of the Central Student Council, which has given all empowered the students' body in serving and actions in every step of the way. Such odyssey of service and leadership about to end, to turn the Argus upside down from the rubric of student leaders in the service of inductions. And to make it happen, may we call in the outgoing CSC President for his bequeathal speech.